welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damjan and today we will do a unboxing video of my new cycling gear. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably noticed that I added road cycling to my portfolio, and so far I really like it, especially the speed. And naturally with a new sport I need new gear, and that's why we will do this unboxing today. Everything we will unbox, it's from company Siroko from Spain, and if you want to buy any of this stuff, there will be a link in the description for 10% off of your purchase. But now take a look at my intro and then we will start with this unboxing. And I'm back. So let's continue with this unboxing video. First of all, here's the package. I never opened this before, so I also don't know if this stuff will fit me. What's the quality, how are the sizes. So it's the first look of this stuff for me too. So let's dig in. What's next? Okay, this is definitely something that I need. Hydration is really important on a bike. So okay, this will be very useful. What's next? Okay, my first impression is that everything is really well packed. The packaging really looks amazing, as you can see. Ooh, nice. This packaging really looks amazing, and this compartment for cycling glasses is also amazing. But let me see how the glasses look. Ooh, wow. My first impression is that these glasses are super light. And what do we have here? Okay, some extra parts for the glasses, for the nose and ear handle. And what do we have here? Okay, this is microfiber cloth for cleaning and fast storage. But now let's see if these glasses fit me. Oh, how do I look? Okay, field of view with these glasses is really amazing. With my current glasses, when I am in a downwards position on my bike, I constantly see the edge of the glasses and my field of view is like 40% of possible view. But now with these glasses I see all over, even like this. If I look up I see everything, so it's amazing. Hopefully I look good. I will see later when I will edit this video. Yeah, but great. What do we have next? This is something that is trucker approved. Okay, this is it. Siroko cap. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, some performance socks. Okay, I would need scissors for this. I will open them later, but they're really soft to touch. Fabric feels special. I will tell you later on my Instagram stories or on later videos, so subscribe if you aren't already, and go follow me on Instagram for more up-to-date videos about all of this stuff. Then I will tell you how do they write, or yeah. Okay, next, what do we have next? Okay, a t-shirt, fitness t-shirt. I don't visit fitness studios, but I will use this one for my running sessions, for my outdoor workout routines, and yeah, I will update you on this also, how's the sizing, how's the material, and so on. So once again, follow me on Instagram. Okay, what's next? There's more. There's more. You know, Siroko is official sponsor of La Vuelta road cycling race, and yeah, this race is pretty huge, so it's an important sponsorship for them. Next, what's this? Oh yeah, this will be my long cycling jersey. My first impression is that it will fit me, but I have to check, and then I will also update you on the sizing of this, if the sizing tables on the web page are accurate. But the material looks really soft and fine. I think I will really feel good in this. On the back you have some reflecting material, and 1, 2, 3 pockets. Pockets are really deep, so you can store a lot of stuff. So since the cold weather is starting here in Slovenia, yeah, I decided for a long sleeve jersey. Okay, and what's, oh, there's more, but I think, yeah, this is okay. This is the last package in this. What you are is what you do. www.siroko.com, and something that I will read later. Again, stickers, La Vuelta sponsorship, or yeah, no, not sponsorship, official supplier of La Vuelta cycling race. And here we have bib shorts. Once again, I think this will fit me, and if they will, the sizing tables on the web page are correct, but I have to try on all of this stuff. And follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel. I will do more detailed videos on everything you saw in this unboxing video. And yeah, if you aren't already, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.